What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing good. A good morning, of course. Welcome to your daily update on Bitcoin, which so far, I mean, we already talked about this yesterday, right? So, at least in a midday market update, but also I also think in the morning, is that at this moment it just doesn't look that great for Bitcoin. All right, if you look at the short-term price action, we are very much trending down. You can also see that the EMAs right here are trending down. Now we are at a key support level. If you look at if you look at the 4-hour time frame, I would say this excuse me, entire level between 60,000 and 61,000 is still a strong support level. We also initially at the start of the night found some strong support there, but so far the support just resulted in a bearish confirmation, all right, because we dropped down, or at least we went up towards 61,800 and just rejected off of that. So now the main question is that, all right, well, I thought we would have been a little bit more bullish after the moves we had last week. Can we actually get some sort of a bullish breakout here? Can we actually get a reclaim? I would say the most important level to break back above is here around 62,400. Can we break above that? Because if yes, then we can actually turn bullish again. Now, at this moment though, because of the technicals, which are short-term, like I said, very bearish, but also if you look at the momentum, look, the momentum has been dropping down since the 6th of May, all right? So since Monday, we've had some bumps in momentum, but overall it only went down. And if there's one thing you need for some sort of a reclaim, as we are talking about right now, it's momentum. All right, so at this moment, it is most likely that we will just continue to drop down. Look, the momentum was one of the things that actually pushed us above all the levels we broke above, right? So above 61,000, above 62,000, and that's also the one thing that pushed us all the way up to 65,500. But right now, the absence of momentum also means that there's basically no opportunity at this moment to get some sort of a bullish breakout. And to turn bullish again on the short term. Now, what is true, and I told you about that yesterday as well, but today is the day, is that today we have some bigger economic news. All right, so what happened, for example, last week is that the unemployment rate was higher than expected. So that's bullish for crypto, all right, because a higher than expected employment rate means that hopefully on the longer time frame that interest rates also will drop down earlier, and that's bullish. So what we have today is very similar numbers coming out, and that's the initial and the continuing jobless claims. All right, if these are actually higher than expected, which right now they expect them to increase, but if they are higher than expected, then that again indicates that the US economy is slowing down and that hopefully interest rates can drop down as well. And that could be a catalyst that, even though right now there is no momentum, so right now it's most likely that we will continue to drop down. That's just objectively speaking, there's nothing right now pushing Bitcoin up. There's strong support here, and that could turn into something, but there's no indication right now that that is turning into something, right? So then it's always most likely that the market structure that we are in will continue. And if you go to the 4-hour time frame, then I would say this is bearish. If you zoom out, we are bearish. We're making lower highs right here. And if you zoom in on the 1-hour time frame, we're very much in a bearish channel. So there's no reason to believe that that's going to stop right now. So I think it's most likely we'll drop down towards 60, and then down towards 59. However, the main thing to watch is that momentum, because if we do get some positive news this afternoon, which I will keep you updated on, then it's possible that we gain some momentum and that we get some sort of a bullish breakout and that we rally. So in general, I would wait for that. If the result is not positive, then I will stick with my thoughts that that bearish momentum from here short term is most likely. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.